Triacylglycerols. In this lecture, I will discuss introduction, structure, and properties of triacylglycerol. You are watching my channel, Dr. Biochem Lectures. My name is Dr. Alam Zeeb. I am a professor at the Department of Biochemistry, University of Malacca. I did PhD from the Institute of Biochemistry, Graz University of Technology, Graz, Austria. The contents of this presentation include introduction to triacylglycerols, structure of triacylglycerols, and properties of triacylglycerols. Triacylglycerols. Triacylglycerol is also known as triglycerides. It is abbreviated as TG or TAG. Triacylglycerol is the example of simple lipids. They are the major component of the lipids in human body. The word triacyl means 3 fatty acids, where glycerol is an alcohol having 3 hydroxyl groups. Chemically, they are ester of fatty acids with glycerol. In this picture, you can see that glycerol has a 3 hydroxyl group, where R1, R2, R3 are 3 fatty acids which forms ester linkage with the glycerol. So the 3 fatty acids are attached by an ester linkage with glycerol alcohol. Triacylglycerol is classified into 2 main classes. One is known as homotriglycerides, which contain only one type of fatty acid, and heterotriglycerides. Heterotriglycerides contain different types of fatty acids. Triacylglycerol can also be classified into saturated fatty acid, saturated triacylglycerol which contain saturated fatty acids, unsaturated triacylglycerols which contain unsaturated fatty acids. The third class is called mixed triacylglycerol, which contain both saturated as well as unsaturated fatty acid. Now we will discuss the example of the saturated triacylglycerols. In this case, you can see here the structure of triacylglycerols. In the SN1, SN2, SN3 represent the stereochemical numbering on the glycerols. The first example is saturated fatty acid is tripalmatine, in which position number 1, 2, 3 has 3 palmitic acid bonds. So the common name is tripalmatine, and the IUPAC name is 1,2 3 tripalmethylglycerols. Another example is triestyrene, in which 3 stearic acids are attached to a glycerol. These are the example of homopolysaccharides. The next class of triacylglycerol is unsaturated fatty acid. You can see here the double bond. First example is the trilinolene. Chemically, it is 1,2,3 trilinolyl glycerol. So in all the 3 acyl groups are linolene. Here the second structure is that of the trilinoline, which is given the opaque name is 1,2,3 triacylglycerol. 1,2,3 trilinolenyl glycerol, and so on. The third class is known as mixed triacylglycerols. In this case, both saturated and unsaturated fatty acids are estrified to glycerol. They are also called heterotriglyceride. They are more common in nature. You can see these 3 examples: 1-palmethyl, 2,3-diolyl glycerol, in which the position number 1 has a 1 palmitic acid, and 2 and 3 position contain oleic acid. And the second example has 2 palmitic acid at the position number 2, and 1 3 position contain oleic acid. The third is 1 stearyl, 2 oleail, 3 palmethyl glycerol. The saturated fatty acid, when we look to the structure of the triacylglycerol, these are not planar, they are rather in the 3-dimensional, and this 3-dimensional structure is based on the type of fatty acid present. The SN number, which is normally called stereochemical numbering, however, the 1, 3 position, there is no clear distinction between position number 1 and 3. Properties of triacylglycerols. Triacylglycerols are most abundant class of lipids in animals. Melting point is determined by the degree of unsaturation, especially the degree of unsaturation of fatty acid. More unsaturation is normally present in plants than animals. The important function is that they serve as energy reserves, as insulators. They are better sources of energy than carbohydrates. They produce more energy than carbohydrates and even proteins. They are stored in the adipocytes through the body, and they are hydrolyzed by lipase enzyme as needed. In this figure, you can see the wide balloon structures surrounded by the tissues and the small nuclei. These are the adipocytes or the fat tissues. So this the white tissue or the white balloons are usually called fat cells or adipocytes. In human body, high level of triglycerides in the blood stream have been linked to atherosclerosis, heart disease, and stroke. In this figure, you can see the narrowing of the blood vessels. You can see the lipid-rich necrotic core, the cells you can see, and the lipid-rich core area in this surrounded the blue one, and this the other color. When we look to the normal level and human serum at the passing condition, the level of the amount of the triacylglycerol, if it is less than 150 milligram, it represents the normal range. If the amount is between 150 to 199 milligram, it is in the borderline. And if it is between 200 to and 500 milligrams, so you are at the risk. And if the amount of the TGs are above 500, so you are at the very high, the amount is very high, and you are at the high risk of all the disease that we discussed in the previous slides. The amount of triacylglycerol can be reduced by dietary modification, exercise, lifestyle modification, as well as the specific medication used for the treatment of reduction. Other important uses or the major uses is that they can be used in industries for the purpose of preparation of oil paints. The different type of oil paints with the different colors, so the characteristics of the oil paint, they include triacylglycerols. They can also be used for the production of biodiesel. Biodiesel is more environmental friendly type of diesel,